Hello everyone, myself Ankita. Today we will be discussing about some important questions on electrical power generation. Previously we have discussed about some basic questions on basic electronics. If you have not watched that video, you can go and check that video. So let's start the today's question. From first question, our question is saying in India high voltage transmission is mostly used by high voltage transmission is mostly used by overhead system. Now second question is economizers are used to heat the following. You should note that economizers are used to heat the feed water, the water which is feeded into the boiler, then it goes to the economizer to hit the feed water. So economizers are used to heat the feed water. Now moving towards the third question, graphite is used in nuclear power plant as a graphite is used nuclear power plant as moderator is made of graphite. So C option will be the correct answer, moderator. Here answer is not given, you should write here answer will be C. Now moving towards the fourth question, one atomic mass unit is equivalent to, you should know that one atomic mass unit is equal to 931.4 electrovolt. Option A will be the correct answer. In fifth question, the overall efficiency of a steam power plant is, you should know that the overall efficiency of a steam power plant is 29%, but output efficiency is 30%, but overall efficiency of a steam power plant is 29%. Now sixth question is, the location of such tank in hydroelectric power plant is near. The location of such tank is located near the turbine. You should know that the location of such tank in a hydroelectric power plant is near the turbine. Water turbine converts, here answer is wrong. Here answer should be kinetic energy into mechanical energy. Water turbine converts flow of water of kinetic energy into mechanical energy, but alternator or generator converts mechanical energy into electrical energy, but water turbine converts kinetic energy into mechanical energy. Option B will be the correct answer. Here answer A is wrong. Option B will be the correct answer. Now in question number 8, here question number 8 should be in hydroelectric plant Kaplan turbine is used for. In hydroelectric power plant Kaplan turbine is used for high head. For high head Kaplan turbine is used in a hydroelectric power plant. Now in ninth question, large size steam power plant are suitable for. Large size steam power plant are suitable for intermediate loads. For intermediate loads, large size steam power plant are suitable, and for base loads, small size steam power plant are suitable. Here intermediate loads will be the correct answer. Now 10th question is, water hammer is developed in a, you should know that water hammer is developed in penstock. You know what is water hammer? Water hammer is the phenomena when penstock gets destroyed. This is called water hammer. So water hammer is developed in a penstock. Now in 11th question, which of the following will be the lowest for lubricating oil? Pour point is the phenomenon in which the lubricating oil will be the lowest. Now in 12th question, which of the following is not a part of diesel engine? You should know that chimney is not a part of diesel engine. Chimney is used in thermal power plant but not in diesel electric engine power plant. Now in 13th question, the solar or photovoltaic cell converts. The solar cell converts, you should know that in our homes and in any machines or any place, solar cell converts solar radiations into electrical energy, from which we get the electrical energy from any electrical source. So here B option will be the correct answer. Now 15th question is, biogas consists of, you should know that biogas consists of CH4 methane and carbon dioxide. B and some impurities. Biogas consists of methane and carbon dioxide and some impurities. So here option B will be the correct answer. Now 15th question is, the main byproduct of the biogas plant is. The main byproduct of biogas plant is organic manure. If an organic manure is not present in the biogas, then it will be not a biogas plant. So main byproduct of the biogas plant is organic manure. You know organic manure, what is organic manure? As that manure in which carbon is present in that manure, in that thing, is called organic manure. So here option C will be the correct answer. In 16th question, the turbine normally employed in tidal power plant is. The turbine normally employed in tidal power plant is propeller type. It is of propeller type. In 17th question, a geothermal field may yield. You know what is geothermal field? When it is the process in which steam goes to upwards and it converted into hot steam. So here C option will be the correct answer. Hot steam, it is what? A geothermal field. In 18th question, a load factor of a power plant is. You should know that load factor is always less than unity and diversity factor is always greater than unity. Load factor is always less than 1 and diversity factor is always greater than 1. So here question is asking about load factor. So here option B will be the correct answer. Demand factor is defined as. You should know that demand factor is the ratio of maximum demand to connected load. Option B will be the correct answer. Here answer is not given. B will be the correct answer. Maximum demand to connected load. It is the ratio of maximum demand to connected load. Now in 20 question, the knowledge of diversity factor helps in computing. You should know diversity factor. It helps in the computing of plant capacity, how much the power plant has the capacity to work, or how many efficiency, how much efficiency. So here are 20 questions completed of power generation. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.